In 2025, Apple introduced the MacBook Air M4, a device that redefines the standards of performance and portability in the laptop market. With its sleek design and powerful M4 chip, the MacBook Air M4 offers an exceptional computing experience for a wide range of users. This review delves into the features, performance, and overall value of the MacBook Air M4 after a month of usage. Design and build quality. The MacBook Air M4 maintains Apple's signature minimalist aesthetic, featuring a unibody aluminum chassis that exudes elegance and durability. Available in a new sky blue color, it adds a fresh touch to the classic design. The laptop's slim profile and lightweight build make it highly portable, ideal for users who are constantly on the move. The 15-inch Liquid Retina display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, providing an immersive viewing experience. Despite the larger screen, the MacBook Air M4 remains remarkably thin and light, ensuring ease of transport without compromising on screen real estate. Performance and efficiency. At the heart of the MacBook Air M4 lies the Apple M4 chip, a powerhouse that delivers impressive performance across various tasks. Whether it's web browsing, content creation, or multitasking, the M4 chip handles it all with ease. The laptop's fanless design ensures silent operation, enhancing the user experience. In benchmark tests, the MacBook Air M4 showcases significant improvements over its predecessors, offering faster processing speeds and enhanced graphics performance. This makes it a suitable choice for professionals and creatives who require reliable performance on the go. Battery life and connectivity. Battery life is a standout feature of the MacBook Air M4, with Apple claiming up to 18 hours of usage on a single charge. Real-world usage aligns closely with these claims, allowing users to work uninterrupted throughout the day. Connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, and a headphone jack. While the port selection is minimal, it covers the essentials for most users. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and reliable wireless connectivity. Comparison with MacBook Pro M4. When comparing the MacBook Air M4 to the MacBook Pro M4, several distinctions emerge. The MacBook Pro M4 offers a higher refresh rate display, additional ports, and active cooling for sustained performance during intensive tasks. However, the MacBook Air M4 holds its own with its impressive performance, portability, and affordability. For users whose workflows involve prolonged heavy workloads, the MacBook Pro M4 may be the better choice. However, for the majority of users seeking a balance between performance and portability, the MacBook Air M4 is more than capable. Configurations and recommendations. The MacBook Air M4 comes in various configurations, allowing users to choose the model that best suits their needs. It's advisable to opt for higher RAM and storage capacities if your workflow involves demanding applications or large files. The 15-inch model is ideal for those who prefer a larger display, while the 13-inch model offers enhanced portability. Conclusion. After a month of usage, the MacBook Air M4 proves to be a remarkable device that combines performance, portability, and value. Its sleek design, powerful M4 chip, and impressive battery life make it a compelling choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, the MacBook Air M4 delivers an exceptional computing experience.